Rubik's is a MRO business and we specialise in industrial products. This facility here is focused on hazardous and cosy products where we have to store them, segregate them very carefully for picking and packing and distributing to our valued customers. We've been working with Kardex for around 25-30 years, and we have a strong partnership in terms of innovation, and we talk through solutions. Within our facilities we have approximately 30 machines that operate for us. In our main distribution centre we are focused on speed, throughput and productivity of general industrial products.
One of our core sectors of industry that we provide support for is manufacturing. It's really important for us to support those manufacturing industries because uptime is key to them and their businesses. Kardex helps us with that, and also it helps us add value to our customers because the Kardex solution that works for us typically works for them.
This site is slightly different. The challenge here was that we had hazardous product that needed to be looked after, controlled and segregated, and we needed to actually pick, pack it and dispatch it very accurately to support health and safety regulations.
We installed 2 Kardex compact buffers and 2 Kardex shuttles. The focus of the installation was to segregate the stock and ensure that liquids and non-liquids were not in the same machines. In the compact buffer we store smaller parts up to 35 kilos, and in the shuttle we store longer and irregular shaped product. The 2 machines are contained within a blast cage, which were determined to be used by the health and safety executive. Rubik's also decided to take the VBM box and the VLM box. These boxes are designed to create more space within inside the machines.
So with these storage solutions we are able to operate safely with hazardous products. In terms of touch points, we've got 5 or 6 people here that are specially trained to run the operation rather than having a multidiscipline distribution centre with multiple people handling product. They know what they're doing.
Here at Rubik's we're growing quite quickly, as are our customers, so it's really important that we grow with that. So one of the things that the Kardex solutions bring to us is the ability to move and adapt to that growth. So whilst we have a solution that works for us today, we also have flexibility with a solution where we can move from different picking methodologies such as pick by line to pick by order and back again based on the needs of the customer. So we already have the option with the Kardex frame picking solution that will allow us to move with that as the future needs us to. So that's also a benefit of going with this solution.